lot of traffic here on the road. We're on, I don't know what road it is, north of Gettysburg. We got Marsh Creek right here. That's where we're going to be magnet fishing at. So right down here, hopefully down here, go across. And then I want to hit the railroad bridge way out there. Do a trifecta, one side to the other, and the railroad bridge. Okay, make sure you hit, check out my links for beast magnets. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Yeah, we're going to go up to the Cache Town Inn here and go magnet fishing. It's supposed to be a big haunted place. It's also, I think they had headquarters here or something for the Gettysburg battle. And there's supposed to be a creek over here, but doesn't look like much of a creek over here. Let's check it out. Not much of a creek at all. So we're gonna go someplace else. I've seen a couple places along the way, and we will go there. I don't think that satellite dish is there for from the original house. Hey, we're back on Marsh Creek on the other side of Gettysburg. Not fond of standing up on this ledge, so I'm going to stand back a little bit to throw. Lots of rocks in there. You can tell which way the water's rolling. More magnetic rocks. Hey, we got something. We got something. We've got a Civil War piece of metal here. And some more magnetic rocks. A bunch of sticks there. Let's see what we pull out of there. Besides a bunch of sticks. I think I see something down here, but I think it's a piece of wood. Magnetic rocks. Oops. Well, that wasn't good. Stuck right on my rope. Something right there. What is this? Found the fine time to leave me loose wheel. Looks like off some cart or something. just a stick. Okay. I think we might check the other side. Take me to the others. Knew that was coming up. See if I can get across this. Killing myself. I think we got something on there. I don't know what. Oh, just rock. And a little piece of something on there. Big rocks down there underneath the bridge. Huh, that's something. Just more stones. What is going on? Oh, we got something finally. Ah, look at that. Big old washer here, get you in the light here. Oh, finally, something there. Big old washer. Man. Bring it up. Oh, we got something else here. Oh, we got. Look at this puppy. Oh my gosh, look at that. Finally. Getting some stuff here. Oh, try it again here. Give you guys a look here. It's smoking on. We have. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, a big old nut right there. Oh. Yeah, I'm looking, trying to find a way to get out to that bridge. Oh, we got something else here. See something shiny here. Look at this. We got ourselves a lure. You see that right there, like that. Some rock I like. Did it again. One more here. Hey, we got something. A big chunk of metal. Got stuff all in it. Okay, one more. We got a dangler. Look at that rock. How magnetic that is. Holy cow. Look at that. Nice chunk of metal right there. And some other ones. Look at that puppy. Road spike. Yeah, that's an old puppy right there. Holy cow. Now we're gonna do a couple throws off this, and we're gonna go back, and we'll like be so far away from my car alongside the road. There's where road spike. Got another one right over here. Little dangler. Beautiful scenery up there. I am going to pack it up and get back to the vehicle. Jump over this side here. Woohoo! If there's anything here. Do we want to go across that? Man, that's a little slippery. Here we go. Psych. Psych, I'm not doing it. Psych, psych. Okay, we're gonna be headed back here. Go a little different angle here, see if we can find anything. Ooh, I think it's heavy. My bucket is heavy. Oh, railroad spike. See it right there? One right there. One over here. Sorry, had a shot between my legs. Oh, something else right here. I don't know if I can get this. Oh, look at this. What is this? It's like a branding iron. Check that out. It's like a branding iron. Man, what is that? Hear that? The curly Q mustache? Or the Groucho Marx eyes, nose. Cool. Oh, mudlarking here. Okay, let's head back. I haven't opened up any doors in my keys. Just something. Oh, another railroad spike right there. Ah, prickers across the face. Oh, that hurt. I think I'm bleeding. Just a bit muddy here. Don't need to be tripping over a rope. Ah, that's where I came over. Oh, another pricker in the face. Ah. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video here. We went back there. I don't know if you can see it there. We went back there on the bridge, that railroad bridge. We did the bridge here. Found some stuff, not a lot. But hey, we're down in Gettysburg, man. Now I'm gonna go hit Gettysburg and see some things. Make sure you hit Beast Magnets. A link there. Make sure you subscribe and like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you soon. Adios.